Misplaced your keys again? Don't worry, we've got your back. At ACM Locksmith Group, we specialize in replacing lost keys and programming for older model vehicles when new keys can't be programmed through the OBD diagnostics port when all keys are lost, like Lexus, Chrysler Crossfire, Sprinter van, Toyota, and Volvo. Our convenient mail-in service takes the hassle out of getting new keys. Just send us your door lock and Immobilizer Module, or ECU. We'll create and pre-program a new key, so your car's anti-theft system lets you start it up. No dealership required. Here's a quick rundown of the vehicles we work on. Older Lexus models like ES, GS, IS, LS, RX, SC, Mercedes Sprinter vans, Toyota models like 4Runner, Avalon, Camry, Highlander, Land Cruiser, Sequoia, and Solara, and Chrysler Crossfire, and Volvo models like C70, S40, S60, S70, S80, V40, and V70. Trust our expertise. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch our 600+ videos to see work we have done. Visit our website at www.acmlocksmithgroup.com or call 678-699-2634 to get started. ACM Locksmith Group, your key to getting back on the road.